What is up, guys? We're back with another video. I found the Subway Surfers game on the computer in Roblox, so let's just do this, I guess. Okay, I already know the controls because I've been playing this a little bit. So we're just playing Subway Surfers basically for a video. This might get taken down, but I have no idea, so I'm just enjoying it while I can. I was playing this on phone the other day when I was down. Sure. So that's how I got this skin. So let's do this thing. Okay, next round I'm going to turn the volume off. Okay, I almost just missed that. Oh god. Okay, this is so much easier. Okay, I used to play Subway Surfers a lot. I mean, I sometimes still, but let's just do this. Okay, I'm gonna do the volume. Okay, what's up, guys? Yeah, I kind of lost last night. I won't. Okay, now it lets me play. Out of nowhere, huh? So weird. Okay, so we got this round for sure. We got this round. So we got this. And we got the money over here. Okay, so I got a magnet now. Dude, now I can only go where I can get coins. Now I guess there's gonna be there's gonna be 3 veins of coins. How did I just make that? Okay, so let's do this thing. Floor's Lava Challenge. Okay, so we got this. Don't worry, guys, we got this. Let's go! Okay, so this is basically just a Subway Surfers video. Dude, I'm going extremely fast. No! I want 1,000 coins. Okay. So it's a raging streak from now on. No! What? Yay! Wait, what's happening? What? You guys enjoyed watching me rage. Okay, so why? Just why? So let's just do this thing, I guess. Let's just do it again. I was planning to make it an MM2 video, but never mind. I just found this. And multiplayer's coming out soon. I'll be playing this when multiplayer comes out. Time to customize. Let's do this thing. So, next slot, 1,000 coins. I got it. So, now I cancel this and I said play. Okay, let's try this skin out. Dude, this game's so fun. What should I do next? It's been 4 minutes for you guys, but it's been like 10 minutes for me. want these coins. I love these coins. So, there's a magnet. There's a magnet. Let's go. Yes. Yeah. I just had to take a moment to celebrate. Sorry, guys. I paused it. I paused it again. No. How much is my next coin? Is my next skin? Okay, please, God, no. Please, 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 please. Oh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be for tomorrow when the new season of Fortnite comes out. I'm going to be recording that, so stay tuned for that. The new season's coming out, and I honestly don't know when it's coming out. I honestly do not know. Well, this is gonna. Oh yes, I got you. When multiplayer comes out, I'm getting RTG Rival in the lobby. What? What? Let's do this thing. Let's do this. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this thing. Yeah. What happened to the? My mic unplugged, so I had to put that back in. Oh, that was fun. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay, let me play. Okay, thanks. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, this game's actually pretty fun. If you guys leave it in the comments if you want to see part 2 to this, so we can. Yeah, screw the glitching series. Okay, I might actually do that tomorrow. And also, Fortnite event's supposed to be happening soon, I think. So I have no idea when. I gotta check Fortnite's Twitter. No. Okay, so if it's another concert, I'm gonna be happy because I miss Travis Scott's and Marshmallows. So if it's another concert, I'm gonna not put on. I'm actually gonna play the music, and it's gonna get copyrighted like heck. But if it's a concert, okay, so let's do this thing. So let's do this thing. Oh my god, no! Dude! That was a failure. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we're already 8 minutes in, and it's been 15 minutes for me. Wait, has it? I think it's been 20. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this thing. A new area, I guess. Yep, new area. Okay, so let's do this thing. I'm just so focused on the game right now. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Actually, one more round. One more round. One more round. I will end the video if the game. Okay. Okay, one more game. I'm so focused, it's so weird. Okay, once this jetpack wears off, I'm probably gonna end the video. Now, when I die. Alright? Okay, I'm ending the video there. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.